Take-home message for me is that there are a lot of stories surrounding the Nile River. We've been always hearing stories about the political and security issues about the river, but now I can say that since the workshop I have come away with a new way of looking at the issue.
My take on from this workshop would be that I actually do need to work more closely with scientists, because scientists has a lot of knowledge, a lot of information that we could make a great use of, and we as a journalist, we need to create that missing gap. We need to be the bridge between scientists and actual people who need to know about what the scientists are doing, and that is what I want to do.
The most important takeaway for me from this workshop is that scientists are accessible, available. Their research can be discussed with them. I've learned their mind patterns, their thinking patterns, some of them. I can now better extract information from research and scientists, and also be able to more easily reach out to them.
What I've taken home, I'm going to, maybe it's kind of campaign, but I'm going to write more stories emphasizing on science, also with conflict, also to do documentary which can show if also how relation between water and conflict, also water and gender, kind of that. I think this will be helpful for all people, all citizens, also in our region. Thank you.
So my take home is that I'm going to write a very beautiful story about sand rivers in my country, and how we can tap more water from them so that they can help my community.
What I'm taking home is all this knowledge to implement it in my work, and I'm taking some homemade honey from the hotel I'm staying in because it's really nice, and that's it.
What I will take home is I will share what I know, what I got from this workshop. I just already talked with my colleagues to prepare such kind of workshop in Ethiopia. Thank you.
So my take home from the workshop is a lot of new sources of data and research that we can probably visualize on InfoNile, and also a network of journalists to work with on different investigations in the future.
My take home is to do a project on connectivity of living things on the Nile River.